Happy Thursday, folks.
Greetings of the day.
Hi there, Joy. You're the first person to talk back. Everybody else has been quiet this morning,
Well, I
afternoon.
always talk back like my 9-year-old.
Wished everybody a happy Thursday, and I just got crickets, but I was running around looking at other issues and things because we don't have a lot to talk about today.
Did say something, but the hard mute was on. Sorry. And I didn't repeat it because it was stupid. So I'll say it anyway. It's not Thursday, it's fake Wednesday.
That's another possibility.
It does feel that way.
Time is all wibbly wobbly for me. This is the only constant my entire week. We don't have much today. Just basically things that we've had sitting out here for a while. I should have finished your name, Sam. Sorry about that. Samuel. Yeah, nothing specific on the agenda unless we want to talk about some of the tag history, tag listing. I was trying to look at the old tag listing PR that you had out there. Um, but otherwise, on the agenda, just kind of put the same things we've had out here for a while. The conformist test still needs to get reviewed, along with the blog post once we finally get that. The extension spec here does have the DCO done, does have the underscore documented, so it just needs another review. So that's another one sitting in our queue right now. I don't think we have anybody on today. Yeah, nobody on today that can do that review here. And then the other one that Jeff had was the tag history, which I think you're going to rework after the extension one gets done. Is that my understanding right, Jeff?
Yeah, I was trying to do one at a time.
That's all right. I mean, I was looking back at all the stuff you've been submitting along with other things. And we've got, where's that tag listing one? Yeah, here we go, the tag listing one. I put a bunch of comments on that one. Got that sitting out there too. Are you still going to want to go through with this one if we do the tag history?
I think those are two separate use cases. I think the question then is, so this is kind of like I would qualify it as like an improvement on the existing spec, not necessarily net new functionality. I mean, it kind of is, but kind of isn't. Um, does this still make sense as sort of done as proposed here, where you kind of send a different accepts header to sort of flag between the two, or does it make sense as moving into an extension as well?
I'm a fan of the other accept header to differentiate, but folks can disagree. I'm not too picky on it necessarily being this specific accept header. We could always make our own, make another media type if we felt like that was necessary. In this case, I don't think it is, but that would be another option. Yeah, the only reason I was asking that one is I'm starting to finally catch up and I might start to implement this. I don't know if I'll do history, but at least the upgraded tag listing. Try that out in OlaReg and Reg Client, see how those work over there with that functionality. Otherwise, that was the entire agenda, which was nothing. So, what do folks have do they want to chat about today? Anything? Bueller? See, Jory, when you show up late and we're not here, this is what happened. We just have nothing to chat about.
We can just make it OCI, comedy hour. Because containers are funny.
I was about to say we're not funny, though.
I think you're funny. I think you guys are hilarious.
Well, that makes one of us.
Well, now there's like pressure to be funny. Plus, it's recorded. Oh no.
You're so mean to me.
Uh, yeah, I'm sorry. I don't have anything interesting or funny.
I was also looking over TOB stuff. We still need to document our decision on handling vacancies and that stuff.
Didn't we have a PR for that?
We do have a PR for that. It has comments.
Oh, it does. Okay.
We commented it all up.
I love comments.
So yeah, that's still sitting in the backlog. But I thought that we hadn't done our board member thing. The issue is still sitting out there, or our chair thing. But Sam had already been noted in the website as being the chair. I don't know if we did another PR for that one or not. I can't remember. But the issue is still sitting out, so I closed that issue. But otherwise, yeah,
Okay.
that's all we got today. Folks want to get their 49 minutes back? Enjoy the rest of the hour. Take care of all the other stuff that's on your plates. You can spend time reviewing this massive PR. All right. Going once, going twice. Sold. We'll end early. Have a great rest of your week, everybody. And we'll be back here same time next week. And we'll see if we get anything else on the agenda then. Cheers, all.